This is Megan with Eurton Electric, and welcome to the world of electric motor repair and rewinding. Today, we're going to be rebuilding a HAAS automation servo motor, so let's go get started. Here at Eurton Electric, we rebuild all types of HAAS motors from across the country. AC, DC, single and three-phase, as well as servo motors. Apart from a normal motor's parts like bearings, brushes, capacitors, seals, and windings, servo motors have special feedback components that make them communicate with the controls so the machine knows exactly what the motor is doing and how to perform perfectly. Here we have a DC brush type axis servo motor. And at this point, it's been completely broken down and we're ready to start rebuilding it from the ground up. As you can see, it looks pretty bad. Here you can see the armature and how the commutator has been worn down. The encoder has been carefully removed. The brushes are worn down and there's carbon dust everywhere. The bearings are shot and need to be replaced, as well as the O-rings and seals. The magnets on this are in pretty good shape, but are covered in carbon dust everywhere. And the brush holder assembly is completely filthy and shorting to ground. All of these have to be cleaned, replaced, rewound if needed, and put back together so that the motor and encoder work in harmony with each other, ensuring that the servo motor as a unit will perform perfectly once returned back to the customer. Servo motors are a complex collection of windings, mechanical parts, and electronic devices. But please, unless you are very knowledgeable about servo motors and alignments, don't take these apart because it can cause important information to be lost. All of the components of the servo motor have been completely gone over. The bearings, brushes, and encoder assembly have all been replaced. The armature has been rewound, machined, and balanced. The magnet shell, the brush holder assembly, and all the other parts have been cleaned, and the motor is now ready for reassembly. With servo motors, it could be one thing or everything that keeps the motor from working properly. Here at Eurton Electric, we test and repair all the servo motor windings and components. So whenever your servo motor goes down, you can count on Eurton Electric to solve the problem. This servo motor has been completely rebuilt and has passed all of its testing procedures, and it's ready to head back to the customer. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, I'm Megan with Eurton Electric, signing out. Check out our website by clicking below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos and all things Eurton.